Okay, so it has stopped. This is the final pullout. 5, baby. 5. Yes, tomorrow's meal. Okay, guys. So today we're gonna be air frying some salmon. I got these packets from Aldi's in a bag or whatever to season my salmon. I'm gonna be using some pink Himalayan salt. I got this big old thing from, like, I think Ross or I don't know, one of the little stores. I'm gonna be using Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. I'm gonna be using, of course, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder. I love this garlic powder. And we're gonna be squeezing a lemon on it. Let's get to it. So first, I'm just gonna cut these packets out. I like these packets because they're individually packaged. It's hard to cook the entire package, and I like it individually wrapped because when I open the bag, I am not obligated or pressured to use every part of the salmon. And then I don't like it like those bags that, you know, sometimes you get freezer burn because the, you know, meat is not secure, and I don't have any one of those Ziploc freezer bags or anything. So I like that it's individually packed. That way I can pick out whichever I want whenever I want. So for seasoning, I do season it on the pink side. So I'm going to squeeze a lemon on it. Some Himalayan salt. Garlic and herb. Garlic powder. And Old Bay. So when I lay it in here, I am going to turn it on the side, the big side. And I'm going to finish seasoning with the Old Bay, some garlic powder, and then I'm going to lay it in here. Okay, so for this go round of using the air fryer, we're going to turn it on. We're going to do 380 degrees, and we're going to pop that bad boy in there for 20 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes, I am going to check on it because this is my first time air frying salmon, so it might not need the full 20 minutes because salmon cooks fast, but I just wanted to put it on a high time just in case. So after about 8 minutes, I'm just going to show you all because I'm getting ready to eat. This is what it looks like. Right. So I'm gonna let that go in, put that back in for the rest of my minutes. It starts on its own, which is awesome. It finishes out the time. So I'm gonna let it finish out these 12 minutes. And yeah, we'll come back to let you see. So this is how the fried salmon looks. I paired a piece with sweet corn, some broccoli, and a little bit of cheese. I needed some greens because I just haven't been eating a lot of greens like I should. And then a baked potato. I feel like it turned out good. Look how good that looks. I'll have to definitely smash that. Okay, if you would like to see different recipes or anything specifically cooked in the air fryer, comment down below and let me know. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post videos and these wonderful recipes. I love it. I'm getting pretty hungry, guys, so until next time, bye.